Reliance Geo unveils their new 3D mixed reality Geo glass. A lot of people sent this to me on Twitter. They wanted me to talk about this, cover this. This Geo story is just incredible.
Geo.
It's just incredible. The number of areas and products and the diversity and versatility of this brand. Going from a telco to a hardware company. I mean, they're talking about getting into groceries, and it's bananas. It's massive. Of course, this is the company under the Reliance brand, which is headed up by Asia's richest man, and they're doubling down on the hardware thing. We talked yesterday about the partnership with Google taking a stake in the company. That stake is not a nothing stake, by the way. We're talking over 7% of the company. Yeah. With that money that got thrown around over there. And so they're going to team up to do hardware. They're going to do an Android device for close to 500 million people in India who are still on feature phones. Mm-hmm. Didn't even get that first Android phone yet. Huge market. And this is another hardware product now, which is a mixed reality headset, similar to something we showcased that Facebook was supposedly working on. It looks like a regular pair of glasses. So it's going to be a little bit more lightweight than your typical, let's say, VR headset.
Right.
Has a camera in the center. These glasses can be used for immersive video interaction, for video conferencing, the way they showcase it, it's like spreadsheets are showing up. It looks like an AR component to it. Mm-hmm. But then the space actually looks kind of VR, the office space that they're in. As people are adjusting to this at-home lifestyle, they're looking for these more immersive experiences. And if we learned anything from what's happening with Oculus, people are becoming more willing to strap things to their face when they're at home all the time.
Yeah. And I can just imagine, it's not like giant goggles. They're just kind of like sunglasses, really. In
fact, Geo Glass, which is the name of this product, is going to weigh 75 grams so that it will sit easily on the ears without any need for any other kind of strap. And apparently won't feel heavy if used for long hours. At least that's what they're telling us now. You're going to have to be the judge of that, Will, when you get a pair of these in here.
Yeah. Just imagine watching a movie, instead of using your phone. And that's all you need is your phone and maybe these glasses.
You're actually correct. This is going to come with a cable to connect it directly to your smartphone. Oh. So you're not going to need to hook up to like a large gaming PC or something like this, as you have with certain headsets in the past. And as we know, the phone is the futuristic operating system. That's the place where computing has shifted. So this is an interesting play here. It's going to be a hardware product. It's also expected to be far cheaper than some other products that have kind of mimicked it or have been maybe precursors to this product. The Snap Spectacles and the Bose frames, both of which were... What did they retail for? Around $300?
Yeah, around there.
Around $300. So anyway, these are expected to cost much less than that. Use cases for these include virtual office meetings to present project presentations, support for sharing files, models in 3D and hologram formats. Also, with Geo Meet, the other new Geo product, schools can conduct classes with 3D models of popular landmarks, animals, science experiments, and so forth. Imagine every student, oh my God, man, the marketplace is enormous. Uh-huh. If Geo can replicate what they've done in the telco space with hardware and a lot of these other projects, we're talking about tremendous potential.